Hello guys, this video is going to be a little tutorial how you could fix your undertray on the MRS, because I had an accident and yeah, all the bolt holes, they stripped out, as you can see here. It's all damaged, but everything else is fine. It's just the bolt holes which are a bit damaged right here. This was riveted on this one, so that's also broken, but it's pretty easy to fix. I just printed these little things, or I just printed two, but the other are currently printing, and these are just some 2.5mm thick plastic pieces which which fit perfectly in here, and yeah, and these then will get glued in with just some chassis glue, which I've used before on my channel for other repairs on the car. This is a little bit flexible, so it will be perfect for this application where this is still flexible plastic, so it's not that useful to use like super hard glue like epoxy resin or something. I mean, you wouldn't even need to glue it on, because once that's here, it can't, and it's screwed in, it can't move anywhere. But I want to make it legit, so I'm going to glue it in, put these clamps on, and yeah, then this thing is fixed. What do you think? Yes, approved. Alright, so you can see I glued in these pieces with the glue that I showed you, and also right here, back here, one is still drying, so I put the clamp on to make it fit as good as possible. This one right there, I added just some glue around it, so it will really stay on, because everything right here is very, the glue is hard to get it stick on there, so I put something around there and around there, and also this one in the middle, and yeah, once that's dry, I can put it back on the car and it will be done. Thanks for watching.